Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the speaker on a phone, Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. For this we need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles so that they're soft or medium hard so as not to scratch the phone. We also need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it first softens the dirt, helps remove it, and then evaporates without leaving any trace behind. You can buy these things as a set. Amazon, Allegro, so you can order it there. If you have them, you can use them. Let's say you use a regular toothbrush, which will just be bigger, but it will also do the job and you can use it without any problem. We start with always turning off the phone first. The phone must be completely turned off. Never do any cleaning on a phone that is turned on. So once the phone is completely off, we moisten the brush thoroughly with alcohol, so that it's simply wet. If you don't have a little sprayer like this, you can always use some kind of small container, pour a bit of alcohol in, and then soak the brush in that alcohol. It's best to move the phone to the side. We have the speaker here, I'll talk about it in a moment. And with a steady motion in one direction, we clean the speaker. 10 times in one direction. Don't do it back and forth at once because then the dirt won't come out. Just go in one direction about 10 times, then switch to the other direction and do the same about 10 times. And you repeat this process about 5 times, so that's roughly 50 strokes in each direction. Then the speaker will be perfectly cleaned. And if it's perfectly sealed, it'll be perfect. It will work, meaning it will be very loud and work great. So it won't be quiet anymore, it'll work very loudly and won't distort the sound. After the whole procedure, leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. Then you can turn the phone on as usual and use it without any problems. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.